Hey y'all, welcome back. Today, I know y'all seen it all over TikTok. I've seen it, I've even seen it on YouTube. However, it's been a minute since I've been on the YouTube. But you know them smash burgers by George that everybody's making? Well, I'm gonna make those today. I got me a pound of meat and I got me my little smash burger smasher upper. Yep, it's a trial, but it's okay. We're gonna smash them burgers with it right here today. It's NSF grade, okay? Don't worry about it. Just don't worry. I got my power smokeless grill, smokeless power grill, whatever you call this thing, getting hot. So we're just gonna put the lid on there, let it get warm. It's cooking on up to 450 while we mix, what's this called again? I forgot. This, while we mix this together in this. I was gonna make some homemade chili, but I don't have cabbage, so we're not gonna use chili, onions, and slaw. We are going to do lettuce, tomato, and onions. Sounds good, right? A burger's a burger, right? I think so too. All right, this is like dripping wet. Let me find some scissors. Here, a knife will work well. Maybe a knife won't work. One day I'm going to be prepared for all my YouTube videos. Like, I'm going to get my stuff together. I'm going to get it aligned in order, and it's going to be nice and neat and organized. And you can be like, wow, what has April done with herself? She's really got it together. Who knows when that will ever happen, if that will ever happen, but it's worth a shot, right? Do you see that? It's the good stuff, man. Put that flavor all over me. All right. So these things are near small because they're thin patties. I didn't lay out. I grabbed 2 packages of meat thinking that, I don't know where my garbage bowl is. I think it's in the refrigerator with chicken in it. But anyway, I grabbed 2 packages of hamburger meat thinking that I was going to make 2 packages of hamburger, but there's only 3 of us eating. So I'm not used to cooking for little people. I mean, we're all big, but you know what I mean, like a little size family. I'm used to preparing for massive quantities, like all these ribs here for a future video for tomorrow, Sunday, you know. Do y'all do that? Do y'all make family dinners on Sunday? So now that I just put both my hands in here to break up this hamburger meat, I've got to wash them before I can add my season back to them because I wasn't clearly thinking, as you can always see. So welcome to Goofy with April. Think that'll get views. All right, so now I'm going to put my seasoning in here. And naturally, this is the McCormick Grill Mates hamburger flavor seasoning. I don't know what's all in it, but you know, there's probably good stuff and bad stuff, but I'm going to add some pepper. Y'all know me, I love some pepper. And I just dump it, you know. Instead, I wanted to sprinkle it, so sprinkle in your pepper, okay? Now we're going to get in here with our hands. Not going to work it too much because we don't want it to be tough. And I'm just going to make us... Now, I'm used to... I like my meat thick. When I go to eat it, I want my meat thick, not these thin things. So I've never really had a thin burger. But all I know is that you're supposed to just roll it in a ball, and then you put it on the grill, and then you take my little smasher and you smash it down. So that's what my hopes are to do. But I don't know how much of a ball I need. I've seen little balls, I've seen medium-sized balls. So maybe a golf ball size or a little bit bigger than that. I'm not sure what size ball that is, but you get the gist, right? They're balls. So I want to, I don't know, should you double them? Like, should you double your patties on a smash burger? I've seen some people double them up. I've seen some people single layer. I probably will eat a single burger. You know what I mean? Because my balls aren't uniformed. You think this one's too big? Maybe I'll pull a little bit from that. Today on Cooking with April, we were on how to make hamburger balls. Are they uniform or the same size, or are they just any size she decides to fix them to be? Who knows? This thing is already hot. I don't know if you have a power smokeless grill. Power smokeless grill. Yep, that's what it's called right there. I just read it. But I really enjoy mine. I got all my youngins one for Christmas. And I put some liquid smoke down in the water because there's a pan of water. I don't know if you've ever used one of these or cooked one of these or seen the layers of these, but I probably should have showed you the layers. But anyway, there's this little water pan that you have down in there that you're supposed to put water in before you cook anything. And I added the liquid smoke to that. And then it has this little metal rack that goes over, like this piece right here will lift up and come out. Then this metal rack goes down. And then your little burner plate, you can either have this kind of burner plate right here, or you can have the flat burner plate, and I chose the fat one. I chose the flat one today. But anyhow, let's see, I got 2, 4, 6. I'm gonna have 8 balls, so that's perfect. But this is a little, so let me pull from here. They, you know, I had one of those burger press thingamajiggers, but I've never used it. So anyway, I've got my balls. Some's bigger than others. It'll be okay. And let me wash my hands. So this is pert near warm right here. So we're just going to take this off. See, that's hot. Did you hear that? That was really hot. So then we're just going to take our balls. I don't know, but maybe I can fit all 8 of them. Let me put this big one right here. I'll put the big ones on this side, maybe like this. Maybe I should just cook 4 at a time, you think? I don't know. So now that we got our burgers on there, can you see? I'm going to come in this way because I know I'll take this and I'll scrape it. I'll tear something up. So we're going to come in here, bring it in. And we're going to smash the burger. Lift up and bring in. Oh! It stuck to my NSF thing. Maybe my burger's not big enough. Should I spray this with something? This is not working.
I thought you were supposed to smash them after they cooked.
No, you're supposed to like start smash. You're supposed to smash it. I don't think this is supposed to happen.
Right here. With the olive oil spray.
Let me let them cook a little bit more. Because I know it doesn't take them but a hot minute to cook. This is not working, obviously. Then you need to drink some water. Because you decided to eat a whole package of pickles. Let me get a spatula.
No, go in the pantry and get the metal one. The big metal one, like the Blackstone metal one.
Go get it. This one in here?
Yes, in the pantry. Right next to the deep freezer.
Well, Caitlin says we should use this thing. I don't know what the difference is between this and this, other than I'm not going to get a lot of leverage. But these are not really good smash burgers at all. I should have made my balls bigger. It smells really good. Come smell it, come smell it. Come get in here and smell it. These are some little patties though, look at that. What do you do when you don't know, you know? See, I was taught to not smash them. Oh, this one almost looks like a butterfly. Well, that one's definitely gonna be a twofer. But let me get a plate. I didn't even get the onions chopped up, the tomato chopped up, or the lettuce done before I put the burgers on. It'll be all right. We'll get there. These are done. Look at that. I mean, literally, it takes no time for them to cook. We could have, like, sauteed some onions or something, you know? Let me just say my balls should be much bigger, but they're not. This versus this. I think this wins. Alright, we're going to smash this one. Do you let it cook before you smash it? I don't really remember. But it's okay, we're just going to smash it. one. Here we go. I wish you could smell because it really does smell very good in here. Oh, I got an overlapper. There will be no overhang on these burgers, okay, unless we use slammer rolls. That's the only way you're going to get some overhang, but no overhang today. So we're going to flip these. We just got some nice American singles here. We're just going to put some singles on here. The fan just kicked on. Did you hear that? I don't know if you can hear it or not. We need some cheese on our burgers. Everybody say cheese for the victor. Oh, heavens to Betsy. Did y'all miss me? I missed y'all. All right. Maybe I can flip this and smash it some more. I'm waiting until I break this spatula. That's what I'm waiting to do. See, to me, it's just rendering all the juices out of it when you squish it like that. All right, let's get ready to assemble us a sandwich, okay? Now, if this isn't a good-looking sandwich, or excuse me, hamburger, I don't know. Everybody, doesn't this look absolutely delicious? I hope this puts some yummy in your tummy and a smile in your heart. Well, there you have it. How to make... Well, did you see that fly? Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope this video puts some yummy in your tummy and a smile in your heart. That hamburger is looking good and I'm fixing to eat it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.